Good morning, Namaskara, Namaste everyone. We are right now in Sarchu. We came here last night. We have shown you where we stayed, and it was extremely cold. It was -3 degrees in the night, and we had a bit of headache. Otherwise, things were normal. We are right now getting our bikes packed rather. We had our breakfast, and this is where we stayed. This room you can see, the glass window. So from here today, we have decided to go to Somoruri, make a night halt, and from Somoruri tomorrow we're going to go to Hanle. So we're just changing our plan a little bit, basis the road condition and weather. So as of now, this is the update. So we'll start in a while. Thank you, madam. Starting our journey from Sarchu. Hope today the journey is not as stressful as it was yesterday, and I just hope that there's no more water crossing, else we get stuck. So from here we're going to cross the Gata Loop, famous. After Gata Loop we're going to go to Pang, sorry, and in between we're going to cross couple of passes, Lachungla, Nakila, and then we're going to take a deviation towards Somoruri. So keep watching, it's going to be really adventurous. This is our day 3 in fact. Day 1 was Chandigarh to Solang, day 2 was Solang to Sarchu, and day 3 Sarchu to Somoruri. The road is going all the way from here, there, and then it's going this side. We must say hats off to the BRO. And I always mention this, Border Road Organization. They have built such great roads in this tough terrain so that we can venture and we can explore these beautiful valleys of Ladakh. Absolutely brilliant. So from there we have come all the way. Now we are ascending because in a while we're going to start the Gata loops. Well, we are approaching a bridge called Whiskey Bridge. Just a while ago we crossed another bridge called Brandy Bridge. Not sure why these names are so exciting, but this is how it is, Whiskey Bridge. So that's the old Whiskey Bridge and this is the new Whiskey Bridge. One can choose to take the old or the new. Now this is what I was telling you about the rock or the mountain sand, whatever you call the formation. Very unique. I mean, I've only seen in here. Can you see how it looks that as if someone has crafted it, So we just started ascending the Gata loops. This road is highly adventurous. You can see on top there are 21 hairpin bends. Be very cautious because you need to give space for the lorries to cross you. Otherwise they kind of chase you as if you have been occupying the whole road. And very narrow road. In two-wheelers it's still okay. You can leave way for four-wheelers. But in a four-wheeler, imagine this road length, the width, it's so narrow. How will a four-wheeler even stop to give a pass for the other vehicles. So this is the adventure of this road, Gata Loops. See how less the space is all about. Imagine if there's a lorry gone, I will not be able to cross. Not all junctions are as narrow as this, but there are quite a lot. Now this tempo traveler can still pass by, I think. Thanks, brother, for giving me a bit of space to cross. These junctions are a little tricky. I just always pray. When I came in 2021 in car, I was praying that God, don't let any vehicle come in the front, because I was in a bigger vehicle. But somehow we crossed. We actually came down from Leh to Manali. Now we are ascending. 21 hairpin bends will actually take us to a good height. From here, Pang is 51 kilometers. So this is the Gata loop, as I was telling you, and look how the roads are, how narrow the roads are actually. Well, there's a ghost temple here. I'll first stop and tell you the significance of this place. There seems to be, I think many years ago, a truck got stuck somewhere, and here somewhere. I'm pouring water. I'll tell you why I'm pouring water here. The truck driver and the helper got stuck due to heavy snow. The truck driver went downstairs to fetch some rescue. The helper was left behind. It seemed the helper passed away because of no food and no water. And that's why people who stop here or they cross by, they throw or they donate water bottles here, which is not the ideal thing to do. If you want to give water the way I gave, I just poured water. I'm sure his soul will probably be able to, you know. Just take some water, and just pour some water. Just take some water and pour it like this. I'll tell you what. Just take some water and pour it like this. I'll tell you what. Enough. Just stop. Don't need to get down. There's one more pass coming up, which is called Nakila. So here's Nakila at 15,547 feet. Babu, you can stop little ahead. Stop little ahead. Okay, we'll take a photo and then we go from here. This is another pass in Manali Leh Highway, Lachungla, at 16,616 feet. Road is pathetic. Road is pathetic, and we don't feel like stopping, but since this is a milestone, so we thought let us stop here, take a quick photo and then carry on. Looks like the road is getting a little better. Just about a kilometer from here, but can't comment. As you know, everybody is going down. All the bikers, they've turned into full of, you know, dust and ash. Not ash, rather it's a dust. These grey color sand or dust, whatever you say, it's like all over the place. Full jacket, riding pant, gloves, even the windshield is dusty. Can't see anything properly. A bit of headache is catching up because of this altitude. We just had water half an hour, 45 minutes away ago, so we'll try to sip up a bit of water when we go down this road. Seems to be a bridge getting built. Yeah. Hi, so we are approaching Pang. Finally, Sarchu to Pang has taken a class. Pathetic roads. I just hope that the roads gets built soon for the upcoming travelers, be it bike, be it car, but very treacherous, I would say. So as much as I remember, after Pang the roads are good. I mean, when I came in 2021, I've seen that. So from here we'll expect to have some good roads. Let's see. Right now we are in the Moreh Plains. Too windy, and this is one stretch road. Very beautiful. So here you can do a lot of video shoot, photo shoot,